In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram feed layout. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and here hit on that Instagram logo to open up that two extra options. And the first is following. You can hit on that and now you see the post just from accounts you are following. There wouldn't be any suggested posts, just the post from accounts that you are following. Now you can go back, hit on that logo again and select favorites. So now in that case you will get posts from accounts that you added to favorites. To add any account to favorites, you can open up that account, hit here at following to open up that options and here select add to favorites. Now that account is on my favorites. I can hit there to select favorites feed and now I'm able to watch just posts from accounts that I added to favorites. That's how it works, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.